Here's how you can check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So, WhatsApp doesn't directly tell you when someone has blocked you, but there are a few signs that make it pretty clear. First, open WhatsApp, then open the chat with that person. Now, look at their profile picture. If it's disappeared and you just see a blank gray circle or a letter, that's one sign they may have blocked you. Second, check their last seen and online status at the top of the chat. So, if you can no longer see when they were last online and it's just blank, that's another sign. Third, try sending them a message. So, simply type in anything you want. Now, if you're blocked, your message will only show one gray tick, meaning it was sent but never delivered. Normally, you'd see two ticks when the message reaches their phone. But if someone has blocked you, it will stay on one tick indefinitely. And fourth, try calling them through WhatsApp. And if you are blocked, the call will never connect and it will just show calling at the top. Now, keep in mind, none of these signs alone confirm a block. For example, someone might have turned off their last scene for everyone, but if you're seeing all of these signs together, no profile picture, no last scene, one tick on messages, and calls not connecting, then it's very likely you've been blocked. So, that's how you check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.